The new Alaska 511 brings more current and accurate information to Alaska drivers than ever before. This video will give a brief introduction to the new, improved 511 system on our mobile app, and then provide a detailed tutorial of the app's features. If you know what features you want to learn about, check out the links below this video to skip ahead. Also below are links to video tutorials specific to the website at 511.alaska.gov and for the 511 phone system. The 511 app gives easy access to real-time updates of traffic information based on your GPS location, camera images of roadway conditions, incidents, construction, and other hazards, a feedback feature to leave a traffic tip with easy-to-use voice recording, quick select location options by map, highway, or a specific community, a zoom-enabled map with clickable traffic icons, and traffic reports of current location and for saved routes. To access the 511 mobile app, download it from either the App Store for Apple devices or Google Play for Android devices. Upon download and first use, you will be asked to agree to terms of use for the application. The Alaska 511 system and Alaska Department of Transportation and Public Facilities is very protective of your personal information and does not retain nor share any personal information from the use of the mobile app. Your privacy is our top concern. Once you agree to the terms of service, you have access to basic features of the system by proceeding as a guest. However, to gain the most benefit from the system, log in or create your own My511 account. To create a My511 account, enter your information when prompted at initial launch of the app. Or if you proceeded as a guest, tap on the lower vertical tab on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll be given the interface screen to sign up or log in. When you create a new My511 account, you'll see that 511 Alaska would like to send you notifications. By tapping Allow, you can unlock the full features available with a My511 account. Next, you will see options for allowing the app to access your location. For full functions of the app, choose Allow while using app. Next is a warning on safe use of the app while in a moving vehicle and a description of anonymous use of location information. Next, you will be presented with a login screen. For first-time users, tap Sign Up in the lower left corner. Fill in the required fields. Enter your mobile phone number if you wish to receive text notifications. Then tap the Register button. That's it. To begin, we'll identify each of the features of the main interface. Then we'll give detailed information on each of these features one by one. At any time, you may refer to links in the description below to skip forward in this tutorial to a specific feature you're interested in. In this main view, you'll see the current map, centered around your current location, the pulsing red dot, as identified by your device's GPS signal. In the lower left corner of the map is a crosshairs icon to center your view of the map around your current GPS location. At the top is a color-coded legend of traffic conditions, along with a search bar for entering a destination. On the map are icons for nearby cameras and events, such as construction. You can long press on any icon or road section to see details of conditions or camera views. On the right side are two vertical tabs, one to access your My511 account settings, and one to enable a hands-free drive mode for use of the app while operating a vehicle. In the top left corner, you'll see three stacked green lines that represent the main menu for the app. The top section of this menu gives access to various features within the app, including the drive mode, the map view, and features created with your custom My511 profile. The second section gives access to the other modes of the 511 system, like the 511 phone system and the mobile version of the 511 website, plus access to social media feeds for the 511 system. Below this are options for frequently asked questions, settings within the app, and the ability to give feedback on usability of the app. Back in the lower left corner of the main interface, the exclamation icon gives instant access to recent alerts. Finally, The lower right corner is a layer icon giving access to customizing which conditions are shown on your map when using the app. That covers the layout of the main interface. Now we're going to walk you through how to use these features. For general use of the app, simply tap on an icon for more information. Tap a camera icon and you'll get a view of road conditions and, where available, detailed information at that location. If it's an event, such as a construction icon, you'll see details and hear an audible description. For road condition information, you may long press on a road segment to read details about that segment. Now, let's look at specific features, starting with customizing your My511 account. First, we'll save a destination. Then, we'll save a travel route between destinations. By tapping on the menu at the upper left of your screen, then tapping Saved Destinations, you'll see a short instruction page that gives a simple breakdown of saving a destination. In Map View, use the search bar to find a destination. This will bring up a route from your current location. You can now tap the star next to the destination to save it, or tap the star next to the route description to save the route. Before you save a route, notice that often there is more than one route to choose from when you see extra navigation dots below the route description. Swipe side to side to reveal alternate routes available. Once you select the preferred route, you can name and save your route. If this is a route that you may use frequently, before tapping Save, you'll notice you can also check the Setup Advanced Monitoring box to create an alert for that route. The 511 system can send a notification to you when any event may affect your travel along that route, such as weather, accidents, or heavy traffic. Tap this box and you can now choose a departure time that you may typically travel that route, and choose the frequency of which days you want the alerts sent. Tap Done, and you'll return to your route that is ready to be saved with an alert. If you are happy with the named route and alert, tap Save. This is the easiest way to know before you go. Now, you may have saved a route without an alert. To create an alert for existing routes, tap on the main menu. Tap Advanced Monitoring. Tap Add Alerts. You can now select a route at the top of the interface, set a departure time, and choose the frequency of the alert. Now save your alert. Now let's take a look at the app's drive mode. This will enable hands-free options as you drive, as well as large, easy-to-tap buttons for key features. At the top, you'll see the ability to toggle the Auto Drive mode, which is enabled by default. It will update road conditions as you drive via the speaker settings for your device and will automatically hide the map for improved safety, battery usage, and data consumption while driving. Also, Auto Alert for receiving voice alerts you've saved for your routes, and Auto Dim to reduce the brightness of the display for night driving. The top large yellow button is to call the 511 telephone system. This sends you to the voice menu system that allows hands-free navigation of many features of the system. The bottom large green button gives you the ability to leave a voice message traffic tip. In this way, drivers can update road conditions or events that they encounter as they drive, adding recent information to the 511 system. If you have recent alerts, the bottom button will play a voice version of the last alert you received. Do you see something that could work better? Have a feature you would like to see? Or even have a question? Under the main menu, tap on Feedback to send a message to our 511 team. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Alaska 511. Here are more links to learn about the 511 phone system and the Alaska 511 website. Now you can know before you go.